Hey everybody, it's Miss Green. This is your lesson overview for your asynchronous day, October 9th. You're going to see your learning target and success criteria right at the top of the page. So your learning target, I will learn the difference between physical and chemical properties. And your success criteria, I can observe and record the physical and chemical properties of everyday household items. You will notice that there are a lot of vocabulary terms here. These are some of the most important vocabulary terms that we're going to use this unit. So it's going to be important that you not just put these into your glossary, but you review them, read them, find pictures to help you remember them. Because we're in remote learning, we're going to have to skip several of the activities in the actual textbook. And some of those activities are going to give us experience with these vocabulary words. So what I need you to do is I need you to make sure that you put your glossary together and you are practicing these words. I will do my part to help you practice them as much as I can, but you need to be doing at least something on your end on your own. So to review, make sure that you've looked over your notes that you made yesterday and you have reviewed or at least finished the asynchronous assignment from yesterday. Then you've got a quick little video. This opens up into YouTube about what are physical and chemical properties. So I need you to watch the video. You're going to want to take notes. All right. So you probably want to have taken care of these terms into your glossary first. Then there is a read and fill in the chart and blanks of this document. So you click here, it downloads. This is what this is. It's a very simple reading. This is not from the textbook. This is very simple. You fill in the boxes. You need to save this to your drive first. Okay, so you'll open it. Then you're going to want to click download. It'll ask you what you want to call it, where you want to put it. When you do that, so if you're going to put this into your science folder, and then I'm going to put it into classroom examples. So this would be period 1, K Green, and then I'm just going to leave the rest of it. Okay, so this is going into this folder, so I'm putting it where I want it to go, because now when I open this, it should open this into Adobe rather than, except it's not going to. You need to make sure that it opens into Adobe, not just into the browser, okay? So you need to open it in the file so that it opens up like this. Okay, so I just went into my folder and opened it up. Please make sure you download it first, because if you don't download it first, you won't be able to type and save into it, because you are going to want to save this to your folder after you've typed it. Okay, so you do the reading, you've got some boxes to fill in, what are physical and character descriptions, and then a couple of blanks to fill in on the first page. Then we're going to dive into some science definitions of physical versus chemical properties, which is the same as a physical or character description, okay? And then a table. You are going to save this to your folder. You're not going to submit this at all. We're going to go over the answers in class, but you want to make sure that you've done this. You're not going to submit it just yet, okay? So that's the chemical and physical properties read and fill PDF. Then you've got a quiz. Quiz is identifying properties. It's 2 questions. It's really simple and straightforward. Your preview is you need to find 5 random objects from around your home that fit into the palm of your hand. You will then take a picture of those 5 items and you will upload it as a submission to your first question. Okay, it's a submission for your first question. Right here, find 5 objects, choose a file. Then list all of your objects here and identify 3 properties of each object. So I've given you example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If scissors were one of your items that fit into the palm of your hand, then you would list 3 properties. They can be physical or chemical properties. I don't have a preference, okay? But they need to be 3 properties, okay? That is all that's required of you. I've got down at the bottom, under optional extensions, I've got a bunch of short videos, short videos about information about chemical or physical properties. So if you're really struggling with this assignment, go down here and watch some of these videos first. Okay, I've also got some information here that can help you with some of these vocabulary words. atoms, molecules, or elements and compounds, okay? So all of these are optional extensions, but these first 3 right here, 5 minute, 5 minute, 4 minute, if you're struggling with this activity assignment, watch some of these videos, okay? Especially this organizing properties one, okay? Those can all help you with your assignment. All righty, email me if you have any questions. This is also a day for you to use to make up any other work that you are missing or have not been able to complete. So especially make sure you finished any LISAs. So you have an activity 8, activity 6, activity 13 LISAs, and you finished that test. So those 4 things are all in the official gradebook. They must be completed or you will receive insufficient evidence scores in the gradebook. All right? Let me know if you guys have any questions. If not, good luck and have a great weekend.